Bad credit home equity loan. You can be approved regardless of credit. Most people with bad credit do not realize that if they own their own home and are paying off the mortgage, they can qualify for a home equity loan. Even with bad credit, the home equity loan is a possibility, because the home itself is collateral. If you default on the payments, you will lose your home, just as you will by not making your mortgage payments. As long as you have been making every effort to keep the payments on your home up to date, most lenders will approve a loan based on the equity you have built up over time. You do need to have 20% or more of your mortgage paid off. If this fits your situation, even though you have bad credit by not making other payments on time or by missing them altogether, with your bad credit, the home equity loan is possible. You also have to provide proof of your income and ownership of the home. The lender will also require an appraisal to determine the exact value of your home and thereby determine the amount of equity you have. The equity is the difference in what you owe on your home and the amount of money you would get if you sold it. If you have bad credit, the home equity loan would be about 80% of the equity. Although there are lenders who will give loans for 125% of the equity, if you have bad credit, it is not likely that you would qualify for this larger amount. The lender will also want to know how you plan to spend the money. If your answer is that you want to consolidate your debts and make improvements to your home, then the chances are high that you will be approved. With bad credit, home equity loan lenders want to make sure you will repay the money. With the bad credit rating that you have, they are taking the risk lending you a large amount of money. Therefore, the interest rate you pay on the loan will be higher. There are closing costs associated with getting this type of loan, but they are not as high as getting a regular mortgage. Just like with getting a mortgage, you can have these costs included in the loan, so you don't have to come up with money up front. There are many lenders with an online presence where you can apply from home. It is best that you apply to several lenders and then you can compare the rates, terms offered and the payment amounts. By applying to several lenders over the space of a few days won't damage your credit record. Any creditors who check your record will see that you are checking out which lender can give you the best deal. Using the money from the home equity loan to pay off your outstanding debts is a good idea. When you make your payments on the loan on time, your credit rating will start to rise. You will not notice a difference immediately, but after 6 months or a year, there will be a significant difference.